Hey now, welcome back. So, I'm standing here in north central eastern kind of Mississippi, and on the early parts slash middle part of August, and yeah, well, we're in the middle of August, and it is 83 and 84 degrees today. I'm standing here in the shade, and woo-hoo-hoo, it's feeling great. Yeah. Oh man, it feels great out here. The shade, the wind. Oh yeah. You can't beat it. I don't know where you're from, but right here, oh yeah, it's nice. But we're not going to talk too much about the weather. We're going to talk about the outdoor grocery store. Yeah. You know, we talk about foraging, we talk about eggs, chickens, goats, and all that good stuff. And, well, it just can't be said enough. I'm just walking around out here, and it's like, there's food everywhere. My fig tree's doing, they didn't do the best this year. Man, it feels great out here, and it smells great. Right here where I'm standing, it's... if this was scratch and sniff, I'd say scratch it and sniff it. It's right here. Fig trees. You can see we lost a lot of them up top here. From that cold weather snap, you know, it just hit us hard. But we've got some figs in here. We've eaten a couple already, and here's one right here. It'll be ripe soon, and there's another one kind of ripe up there. Not yet, maybe another day or so. Let me see this one. Oh, let me see here. Here we go. Maybe. Oh, I got one. Oh yeah, it's a small one. It's a small one, but look at there. I don't know how many calories a fig is, but they sure are sweet though. Yeah, and they're great. Oh, I love it. Every day we come out here and we're getting at least one a day, and I mean we're not getting a bunch, but the goal is to have, I don't know, we've got 4 fig trees right now, and if I can get more, I will. I mean, I'll get 10 of them. I'll have 10 of them. Come out here and just load ourselves up with figs. They're delicious. Why wouldn't you? Then, you know, we've got all these chickens running around. In particular, we have guineas running around, and these things, I'll tell you, if you have guineas, you really don't have to feed them that much. They just run around and they eat everything. Okay, so these aren't guineas. Well, that's the reason, you know, you can't see the guineas right now because they're running around eating. I don't even see them. I don't know where they are. There's a rabbit right over here. Hello, rascally rabbit. 2 of them right there. Another chicken underneath there. These chickens here. Let me show you. Oh, right over here. I come walking out here, and they're good. They're perfectly good. Perfectly good eggs. Look at these things. Look at these. Yeah. Guinea eggs. Guineas have laid tons of eggs all over the place. Now, our friends have a dog, and let's just say she went around and she found several locations. You can smell if they're rotten. It's not rotten. Anyway, and she found several locations where they had a bunch of eggs, and she went to town. She was getting her own food. And a couple more chickens right over here, right there in the yard. We have chickens everywhere. Oh, let me put that egg back. If we need eggs, we just come out here in the yard, go over there and find them. Eggs everywhere, constantly. And these, they don't cost much. We don't have to feed them a lot. Guineas, they go running everywhere and they eat, and they lay a ton of eggs all at once. Look at this. Healthy birds. Them birds come and they get into this dirt and just bathe themselves, and that gets rid of the mites. Their little dust bathing. They love it. Look at there. I don't know if you can see this stuff here, but we are right underneath a pecan tree. Pecan tree. Right here. I'm telling you, just standing right here in the yard. I'm not 30 feet from the house there, and one house here, and we've got fig trees, we got pecan trees or pecan trees, however you want to say it. It's up to you. Got eggs just laying right next to the fence. I mean, let's just walk around. Let's see what else we can get. I'm hungry. Well, somebody was eating a watermelon. It wasn't a big one, and there wasn't a lot to it, but they were eating a watermelon. Hey, little wasky wabbit, what's up? Get him. What's up, buddy? Come here. You want to come say hello to everybody? Hey, well, good gracious, you are, ain't you? Hey, buddy. Yeah. Are you a wild rabbit? I don't think you're that wild, are you? Look at there. Don't have to feed rabbits, folks. I don't know why everybody buys pellets. You can let them out and just do this right here. Isn't that right, buddy? Okay, so these are only the males out. We don't have the females out. Females are in. But as long as you have females, them boys are going to hang out. Oh, let's see here. I don't know. Let's go see if we can find something else to eat. There's another rabbit over there. No, we don't eat rabbits. We don't. So let's see. I don't know where we're going to go, what we're going to find. But we got 3 things right there. Right back here, right next to the house. Eggs, figs, pecans. Okay, so I'm here at the garlic patch. It's not huge. We planted it years and years ago. But these right here, they're dead. So the garlic's ready. So the goal would be to dig it up right here and get the garlic. Right there. So I'm gonna get a shovel and dig. Let's see. So here's the garlic. And let me get up here so you can hear me. So I think we waited too long. I think it's a little old, but it'll work out. It'll be all right. There's our garlic. It's small, not near as big as we thought it would be. Garlic. Let's see if we can find some more. Here's another one, same size. We'll see. We got one more to go. Same thing. Same thing. So, not much here. We waited too late. And not gonna get what we wanted. That's alright though. We got some garlic. Some garlic on our outdoor grocery store. Okay, continuing our outdoor grocery store adventure. Of course, the garden, and it's actually getting ready to undergo reconstruction because it's mid-August and it's time to start working on our fall crops. We're gonna get rid of all the tomatoes, and I do have one cabbage that looks like it was gonna remake. I don't know if the bugs are gonna stay off of it, but yep. Another cabbage, purslane, edible. And of course we still have okra going. Yeah, it's getting tall as can be. But the season is ready and ripe for fall planting. Here's some corn. Not looking that great. We didn't get enough water up here is what happened with the corn, I think. And it's non-GMO corn, which, well, there we have it. So, undergoing some transformations up here. But this isn't why I came up here, really. I came up here because I'm looking for something to eat now. I can't find something in an old rundown garden, except for some eggplant. There's some eggplant. There's still some okra here and there. Let's go see if there's any persimmons. At the persimmon tree. Genesis is behind me. She's trying to hide. Why are you trying to hide, girl? Goofball. Persimmon tree. And there's one persimmon I can see right up here that's green. So I don't think we're going to get any persimmons looking down here on the ground. So I didn't go completely hungry today. I did get the one fig. Well, you got a persimmon, Genesis? Yeah, here's one here. I think they fell off too early this year. Most of them. Due to rain and storms. There's another one on the ground right there. And got to be careful. This is where the copperhead was. Right up here. Oh, I know what we can look for. Let's see here. Hold on. What's around the corner here? Well, I was thinking that was an elderberry bush, but maybe not. That can come down. It's definitely not producing elderberries. Looking around, seeing if there's anything we can eat or forage. Not seeing anything out here right now. Genesis, you got the rest of the elderberries, right? So she got elderberries off the tree today. Yeah, so we got elderberries. And, well, Nature's Grocery Store. And right here is, of course, our large mulberry tree. But that season's over with for us. But anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. I just run around thinking. Food. We got garlic. We got figs. We got eggs. That's just in one trip. That's without even thinking about it. Just coming out here. Beautiful afternoon. It's nice. Wouldn't you rather be stuck in in an office behind a cubicle? Huh? Yeah, me neither. Y'all be good. Be blessed. We'll see you next time.